Hello guys, today I'll be telling you guys how to open 2010, 11 and 12 Ford Transit alternator. So the alternator is placed over here where the firewall is, and to open that we have to open a lot of things. One, this bottle will come out, you just pull it up, like up, and it will come out. And this thing you have to come out. There's a bolt over here. If you look, I think it's number 10. You can open that. And from this side, as you guys can see, it's metal that's kind of clipped in with this plastic, so the metal won't go back like to its place. You have to get the plastic. You have to make some room in the plastic, so you have to use your flat screwdriver to push it in over here. Put your flat screwdriver so your plastic will expand, and then this thing will come off. Okay, that's how this thing comes off. Then the next thing you're gonna do is take these bolts off. 1, 2, and these bolts. If you guys can see these ones over here. So you basically have to open this thing. Right, there's 3 bolts. 1 for this one. You have 1 and 2, and there's 1 on the other side. I don't know if you can see right there. Okay, so once this thing is out, this thing is out, this thing is open, you're gonna kind of put a jack underneath your engine where the wheel pan is. Okay, then you're gonna lift up the jack. Okay, and then you're gonna pull this engine like the front. Okay, so you will have a little bit more room over here. Okay, once you do that, first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna open this thing over here. This thing. Okay, to open this thing, there's a thing you have to push over here. It's like a what you call it? It's like a clip, but you have to push it from here to open that. Okay, and you also have to remove this for the alternator. So there's like 4 screws. One over here, 2, and 2 are on the back. Okay, right here and right here. You have to open those 4 screws to open this. Get this thing out of your way. Okay, and then what you're gonna do is open this nut. Okay, I think it's number 15. Then this is E. You have to open this also. This is E8. There's an E8 socket for this. You have to open this, and there's same thing right like this underneath the car. I mean, if you look from the underneath, you will find the same thing. So first you're gonna do the same thing. Open the nut, open E8. Okay, get this thing all the way out. Then there's another screw. There's another screw that you have to open. It's like right underneath that. Okay, so there's like 3 screws that are holding your alternator. So you're gonna open all these things. Okay, so this whole thing gonna come out. There's the same whole thing like this over here in the bottom, just holding it from the bottom. Okay, you're gonna open that, and there's a nut like right next to it. That's like same place, like right underneath this. Okay, before you do all that, I forgot to tell you that you have to take the belt off. This belt, this is connected to your alternator. Okay, so the easiest way is to take the belt off. You go underneath the car, use number 13, and let me see if I can show you the place where you're gonna put it. So for that one, you have to put number 13, and if you're laying underneath the car, you will see like this, and then you're gonna put number 13, wrench or socket, and you're gonna pull down. Okay, then you will able to lose the belt, and it will come off. Then your alternator will be released from the belt. It's not that hard. So once you open all this, okay, then your alternator should be very free. Take out the cable from here, Okay, this cable, and there's another cable that's right there. I don't know if you guys can see this cable. You gotta open this cable. Okay, there's a nut underneath this underneath this cover. As you guys can see, there's a nut underneath over here. My camera wasn't able to show because the place like that, like kind of weird place. Okay, so that's how you get the alternator open. And be careful, guys, over here. This thing is kind of, I guess, cheap. The Ford company made it like really cheap. This thing breaks off easily. Okay, so you might want to take off the you just want to take care of it like really good. Like, for example, open it from here, take this thing out, you know. Once you take this thing out, so it will be safe, nothing will be harmed to this thing. And yeah, and for that you also have to open this whole thing basically. Okay, take this, pull this wire out, it will come out, and there's a nut over here. So nut over here. Okay, so once you open the nut, you'll have a good enough space to take this thing out. You might have to push this thing back. Okay, so what I did, I just use a ply bar to push it back because it really needs too much space to bring that thing out. Okay, and what else I did? Yeah, and then also I forgot to tell you guys, this thing has to open. You have to open this screw and this screw from here. This screw and this screw from here. Then this thing will get out of your way. Okay, you might also have to open this because the alternator is really badly stuck down there that you guys have to open. Okay, and that's how I did my alternator change on this Ford Transit Connect. And I hope this video should help you. If not, please ask any question if you want, and I'll be happy to help you guys out. Bye.